Should you buy the Theragun Mini? Theragun is not paying me to say anything about this, but I've been using this personally for several months now, and I will have a link to where you can buy this in the description down below. The Theragun Mini is a portable massage gun. It's very small, it's very nice to hold, super good like rubberized matte quality here. The purpose of a massage gun is so that you can recover better. And at first you might be like, well, what's really the point of this and why is this so expensive? I had the same question, and as soon as I used this, I immediately saw why this thing exists. Okay, because when you work out, your muscles get really tense, and sometimes they get too tense, and that can really harm your body, especially when you take exercising and being an athlete very important. You can prevent a lot of injuries with this. And you don't have to pay for a masseuse to massage you with their hands. You can just buy one of these one time and use it whenever. It's really simple to use. Press and hold the button on the side to turn it on. That sets it in the lowest mode. Press it again to go to the medium frequency, and the third time for the fastest mode. The shape helps you reach a bunch of different places. Here you can see me using it in various places on my body to get all the right muscles. The top is interchangeable, so if you get other Therabody tops, like the thumb or the dampener, you can replace that here. It comes with a charger. All you have to do is plug it in, and the battery life's really good on this. It has a 150-minute battery life, which when you only use it for a few minutes at a time is really good. They say that the 3 different speed modes on this are scientifically calibrated, so they're designed to be like the 3 most important modes for you. And it's super quiet. Here's a sound test. So that's the highest mode, and here's me talking. It also includes this soft case. It's pretty nice. I also traveled with this, that was really fun. I do basically flips in martial arts. It's called tricking. So I went to a tricking gathering last month, and I brought this thing with the travel case, and I didn't bring the charger because I figured this would last just a few days. All of us were doing tricks and flips, and all of us were really sore for several hours. So I brought this, I was using it on myself. I offered it to 2 people I met there, and they were like, yeah, let me use that. They did it on their body, mostly their legs. I use this mostly on my legs too. After a few minutes, they handed it back to me, and I asked them, did it help you? And they were like, yeah, dude, thanks. So I offered this to other people I met there too, and I think there were a total of like 10 people who used this and said thank you for letting me use it. So this was a real hit there. I would recommend this for people who want an entry-level massage gun. This is my first massage gun because it was on the cheaper side. It wasn't the Theragun Pro, which I actually do have now, and I might make a review on that in the future. If it is, it's up on the card now. But this really gives you, I'd say 80% of like the best massaging. But yeah, should you buy this? So if you take your body seriously and you don't want to injure yourself and you want something entry level and portable, I highly recommend the Theragun Mini massage gun. I still use it. I'm gonna bring it to all my other tricking gatherings in the future too. Again, it is $200. There'll be a link to it in the description if you want to check it out. Also, Theragun, now Therabody, has a really great reputation for being like the first inventors of this kind of thing. There are cheaper options, which I may review in the future.